Here's a quick 1-minute comparison. Real talk, like I've actually used both. So the big question, DJI Pocket 4P versus Pocket 3. Which one should you get? The Pocket 4P is honestly a huge jump. You're getting a dual lens setup now, so there's a wide lens and a real 3x optical telephoto. And that telephoto makes a massive difference for portraits. Faces look more natural, less wide-angle stretched. Plus, it shoots up to 6K and even 4K at 240 FPS, which is just wild for a pocket camera. Dynamic range is also way higher, so if you like color grading, the 4P gives you a lot more room to work with. But here's the thing, the Pocket 3 is still seriously good. It's cheaper, easier to just pick up and shoot, and the colors straight out of camera look great without touching anything. So my take? If you're a serious creator or filmmaker, go 4P. If you just want clean, easy, high-quality vlogging, the Pocket 3 is still more than enough.